Welcome to the best picks. The best Keurig Elite Filter is probably one of the most important accessories for your coffee maker, ensuring not only that your coffee tastes delicious but also that your machine remains in optimal condition for years to come. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about replacing your Keurig Elite Filter, from understanding why it's crucial to choosing the right replacement and performing the replacement process correctly, ensuring you get the most out of your Keurig coffee experience. Number 5. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement. Introducing the K&J Keurig Filter Replacement, a 12-pack designed for a perfect fit in most Keurig machines. Enjoy great-tasting coffee every time. These filters are compatible with a wide range of Keurig models, from older models to the latest smart brewers. It's the perfect replacement for your Keurig. The micromesh material ensures that the charcoal stays put, preventing clogs in your machine. This keeps your Keurig running smoothly. Activated charcoal filters remove impurities, improving the taste of your coffee. Enjoy a cleaner, more delicious cup of coffee. We use minimal packaging to reduce waste, and each filter is individually sealed for freshness. It's the responsible choice for your coffee routine. We're confident you'll love these filters, but if you're not completely satisfied, our customer team is here to help. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? It fits almost all Keurig models. Its micromesh material prevents clogging. If you want the best tasting coffee from your Keurig, you should consider this. What people say. It works great on my machine. I have a dual model Keurig. The filter fits well and you couldn't tell it is not the original brand filter. Been using these for several years and there is no charcoal taste or any other than plain water taste. They work very well. I use coffee and hot chocolate on my Keurig. These filters work just as well as the brand name version. Number 4. Pureline Keurig Water Filters. Upgrade your Keurig with Pureline filters. Enjoy cleaner, better tasting coffee every time. These filters use premium materials. This ensures the charcoal stays put and won't clog your machine. It removes impurities, leaving you with pure, delicious coffee. Taste the difference. Unlike others, they arrive in a custom box, not a crumpled bag. It's all about quality. Using these filters protects your machine. They help maintain its functionality and extend its lifespan. Choose Pureline for consistently great-tasting coffee and a longer-lasting Keurig. It's the smart choice. What we like? It's made with high-grade materials to avoid jamming your machine. It enhances coffee taste. If you appreciate quality and packaging, this is for you. What people say. The replacement water filters are a perfect fit for my Keurig coffee pot. It is a drip pot with a 12-cup coffee decanter and a K-cup maker. It works well and gives me a clean cup of water or coffee when I use it to filter my Keurig water. They come in a pack of 12 and they do the job. It lasts long as I change them every 3 months or so. It is very easy to change and works great in my Keurig machine. Perfect replacement for the original Keurig filter. Number 3. Everyday KWF 12 Keurig Filters. These filters are compatible with all Keurig coffee makers. They meet or exceed the quality of the original Keurig filters, ensuring a great cup every time. It removes impurities, chlorine, and odors, resulting in the best tasting coffee. For optimal results, remember to replace it every 30 cups. Made with organic coconut husk and micromesh, it provides advanced purification. This removes up to 98% of chlorine and reduces mineral buildup in your Keurig. By choosing these filters, you're supporting an American company committed to quality. They offer superior water filtration technology at a great price. They work with Keurig machines purchased after August 2007, including the 1.0, 2.0, and many other series. Check the compatibility list for your specific model. What we like? This is compatible with all Keurig machines. It uses organic materials for enhanced flavor. If you prioritize organic and high-quality filtration, this is a great choice. What people say. These filters work as good as the more expensive OEM brand. Form-fit function is great too. The filters are individually wrapped and shipped quickly in a small shipping box. My coffee tastes just the same as it did with the original Keurig filter. Great value for the price, easy install, and like buying in bulk to make sure I stay on schedule replacing them. Number 2. K&J Keurig 2.0 Filter Kit. Upgrade your Keurig experience with our new filter kit. It's designed to enhance the taste of your coffee and keep your machine running smoothly. This kit is perfect for various Keurig 2.0 models, ensuring a wide range of users can enjoy its benefits. Please check the compatibility list to confirm it works with your brewer. The kit includes a convenient filter holder, a secure retainer base, and 6 high-quality charcoal water filters. Everything you need for a fresh start. Installation is a breeze. Clear, easy-to-follow instructions make setup simple, so you can start enjoying cleaner, better-tasting coffee right away. Each filter lasts up to 2 months, providing consistent, pure-tasting coffee for an extended period. Enjoy the difference. It's made with BPA and DHP-free materials, ensuring a safe and healthy brewing experience. Enjoy your coffee with confidence. What we like. It's designed for Keurig 2.0 brewers. Installation is a breeze. If you need a long-lasting solution for your Keurig 2.0, this is perfect. What people say. They're easy in, easy out, and do a great job. Great quality. Fits my Keurig like it should and came with filters, which is an added bonus. Easily installed and instantly notice the tastes are different. Great for sanitary and healthy reasons to make it a habit of cleaning them every 3 to 4 months minimum for a maximum benefit to enjoy coffees. Number 1. PureHQ Keurig Filter Kit. It's time to enhance your daily coffee ritual. This PureHQ filter kit is designed to improve the taste of your coffee, making each cup more enjoyable. It works with most Keurig 2.0 brewers, including the K-Slim and K-Express models. However, please check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your machine. The kit includes a convenient side reservoir filter holder, a retainer base, and 3 charcoal water filters. Everything you need to get started. The activated charcoal filters remove impurities like chlorine and sediment, resulting in a cleaner, more delicious cup of coffee. You'll taste the difference. Changing the filter is quick and easy. Simply replace it and enjoy fresh, great-tasting coffee in minutes. It's hassle-free and convenient. This kit is BPA-free and DHP-free, ensuring a safe and healthy brewing experience. We're confident you'll love it, and we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. It works with many Keurig 2.0 models. It significantly improves coffee taste. If you value convenience and a great-tasting cup, this is the one for you. What people say. Super easy to install and worked perfect in our Keurig. These filters work great. Great tasting coffee. This product is necessary for the type of water we have today. Easy to install, easy maintenance on filter. A must-have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.